Madison Hall is a beautiful, modernized building in Muse Quad. Madison Hall exemplifies Radford University's commitment to sustainability. It is one of the campus buildings honored with LEED Gold certification for its environmentally friendly renovation and practices. Madison Hall accommodates about 185 students who are primarily juniors and seniors. Typical rooms are double occupancy and features individual bathrooms with options for accessible entrances and amenities. Each room has heating, air conditioning, and a thermostat. The amenities on site include study lounges, common areas, laundry facilities, and a kitchen. Madison also offers water bottle refill stations and a safe, dry, secure bike storage area. Madison Hall offers comfortable and convenient living for all Highlanders who are fortunate to call it home.